kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, orange color, violet color, white color, pista green color, pink color, sky blue color and blue color. Let's get started. Orange color A. Blue color B. Blue color C. Pink color B. Green color E. Orange color F. Icy blue color G. Blue color H. Pink color I. Green color J. Now let's move to shape. Orange color hat. Sea green color square. Color triangle. Color circle. Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, brown color, light pink color, bottle green color, orange color, red color, dark pink color, navy blue color. Today we will trace the numbers 1 to 10. Let's get started. 1. Red color 1. Green color 2. 2. 3. 3. Next 4 will come after 3. 3 के बाद आएगा 4. 4. What we will write here with the red color? We will write number 4. Number 4. Next is 5. Number 5. 5. यहाँ हम लिखेंगे number 5. Again we will write here number 5. Next is number 6. Number 6. Here we will write number 6. Next I am going to trace number 7. Number 7. Again I will write number 7. Next is number 8. Number 8. Now I will write number 8. Number 8. Next is number 9. Number 9. Now 10 will come after number 9. 9 के बाद आएगा नंबर 10. 1, 0, 10. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today we have learned from number 1 to 10. आज हमने 1 से लेके 10 तक की गिनती सीखी है. आपको ये रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी है. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.